I was walking one day in a nature, and on there I look at around me and understood that we as humans should really take an example of nature to come like it, to become like that. If you really think about this world, think about the Creator, God, who created everything that you see, including us and the nature around us. There is a reason why everything was created like that. We as humans, we change all the time, to the better or the worse. But the nature in itself stays the same forever. So if you really want to take a look at, for example, of something pure, honest, something that was meant to be, something that is like the Creator, something that Creator meant to create like that in its purest version, without anything causing harm to it, anything to stain its nature as it is, as it was created and meant for. So when I look at the nature, when I was there, I see something authentic, calm, wise, something constant, something that always stays the same, something that is not constant hurry and not worry about so much things, to let things flow naturally. No constant worry and stress, and just to be like it is, not trying to be something else or do something outside of it. And we as humans should be the same. You don't have to look at somewhere else far away to learn in different sources so much to find the real meaning and our true nature and the pathway to everything that was meant to be, to everything beautiful, meaningful. I really encourage you to next time go to the nature and really just stay still and be part of it. Being still in the moment and really take a good look at around and try to remember what really is through you and what was meant to be. We as humans and society by a time drifted away little by little. Our own nature, pure version of us, our own egoistic, selfish desires and decisions, little by little, the brainwashing by constructions and society built by certain individualistic and selfish people. I want we as humans come back to our real nature. Be again happy and live free. Live like was meant to be. The life as itself is not so complicated and we as humans. We as humans often complicate unnecessarily so many things. Our mind wants to control and always be in constant motion and worry about so much and prepare for the next coming battle. But you have the possibility to take control of yourself and everything around you. To be once in a moment, being still, being quiet your mind, and then really just listen what comes, and then you can find the true path and meaning, understanding what is really important. If you're in a constant hurry, in constant noise and constantly around people, you easily lost your own voice, your own path. So I really encourage you to, for once, give yourself that opportunity to just relax and take time to yourself. You create your life. You have that possibility, opportunity to choose and based on your decisions, create and form your own life that you live. There is nobody else that can save you. You have your own decision to make, what you will believe that is true and what is false. What is those instructions that you take and will follow? You have the power. You are in control. But only if you are willing to see and understand these things. You can give your control away. But ultimately, it is always your choice. I want to thank you again. Be with me. Always a pleasure, and always towards a brighter future. Enjoying this life. Seeing the beauty and possibilities that there are. Just waiting to you to open your eyes. Thank you again, and hopefully see you again.